everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with Budget and Plan with Des. So I wanted to make my budget by paycheck video for February the 28th through March the 13th. I know I'm a couple days late because I already got paid, so that makes it a little late. So of course I am using the Happy Planner Classic budget planner for this year. And since I do get paid bi-weekly, I just wanted to show you all how I actually use my planner. So of course this planner isn't made for people that get paid bi-weekly, but made for people that get paid monthly. So let me go to one that I haven't put in yet since I haven't recorded the one for March. So let's go to a blank one. So here is where you would normally list all of your bills for the month. This here, I don't actually use. For the savings tracker, I don't track my savings here, I track it here. And I track my accounts and debts here. When it comes to one paycheck or the first paycheck, what I would do is list all of the bills here. Of course, I would white out all of these. List all the bills here. Or better yet, on this page over here, that way I can either leave it in this planner or fold it and put it in my classic skinny. No, that's not right. Skinny classic. And once I get done, I'll have the bills on this side and I'll be able to track expenses on this side. I did get this idea from KellOfAPlan, so if you haven't seen how she set up her 2020 budget planner, definitely go to her page, check it out. I will link her video down below. So when you get done with this video, go ahead and go to her page. She had some great ideas. And that's one reason, or better yet, the only reason why I wanted to switch to the classic size Happy Planner for budgeting. So let's get back to where we need to be. And then we can go over the budget. So we've already been over this one. Yes, this is 2 videos in one, or 2 videos recorded in one day. And I'm just going to check the camera to make sure everything is in the perfect spot, and it is. So when it comes to the budget, of course I normally budget off of $1,500. And then once I get paid, I will put my actual over here. And if I have rollover amount, I did add that in. So as of right now, we are budgeting off of $1,485.37. As far as the bills go, when it comes to Walmart, the last 2 weeks, instead of spending cash for gas, I've used my Walmart card. I haven't used it in a while, so I figured I can at least use it on gas. So when it comes to Walmart and that gas amount, I only spent, and this bill is actually due now, so we are only paying $30.45. When it comes to LCU, which is my credit union, that bill is due, and it's only for $30.98. And what I actually bought with that card was, of course, the one and only, the Budget Companion Pack. I did buy it from Happy Planner. And I did only want it because of those gorgeous cash envelopes and a few other pieces that was inside the companion pack. So that bill is now due. And I'm going to also check off Walmart since that bill is now paid. When it comes to rent, we only put $181 towards the rent. State Farm, that payment is automatically taken out of my checking account every month on the 28th, and it's for $171.22. As you all know, I've been trying to get that bill lowered. Once I get back to my hometown, I would have to go to the office to fill out paperwork to cancel or surrender my whole life insurance. I was able to find term life. I believe it's for, 30 years. For the lowest one was $10 and some change a month. So I'm definitely grateful that I was able to find insurance that low. So I will cancel the whole life from State Farm, and then that bill would be cheaper as well. When it comes to the vision bill, the vision bill is one of those bills that I was complaining about, where all 3 bills came in the mail together. But now we are going to pay it off, which is $92. And I've already paid that off as well. When it comes to the car payment, I am budgeting for a bigger amount than the normal $110. So I'm actually budgeting for $300 for the car payment. The total I have left on the car is about $3,433, and that's before any payments being made. So the total for that amount is $806.05. When it comes to the laundromat, of course, we are budgeting $10 for groceries, which will be cash envelope. So we will budget for $130. Auto deposit, that would include things like gifts and holidays, ride share, vacation funds, what else, savings, things like that. So that will be a total of $260. For fast food, we always budget for $40. Hopefully we can keep it under $40 this time. For miscellaneous, that would be things that don't actually have a category, so we budget for $50. For car funds, and when I say car funds, I mean things like car maintenance, car registration, anything that needs to get taken care of for the car. So we are budgeting only $30 this time. Out of town, of course, you know, we go out of town at least once a month to my hometown, which is about 2 hours, 3 hours away, to visit family, friends, etc. And we do budget for about $70, and this does include gas. So we already have half of the money, so we're just budgeting for the other half, which is $35 for gas. Of course, I've been using my Walmart card for gas. I really haven't used that card in a while, so what I've been doing is budgeting for gas for $40. And what I do is leave that $40 in my checking account, and when that Walmart bill is due, I'll just pay it. For fun money, we only budget for $20. And for hair, I know the last video I made, which I will link above if you haven't seen it already, I did budget for $25 on the last video, but this time I'm budgeting for $30. And when we add everything up for this category, it's $645. So the total budgeted amount is $1,451.05. The leftover amount that we are budgeting for is $34.32. So hopefully we would have that money left over. I will start tracking everything this time. And this time I will go to the bank as before. That way we can get money right away. I also wanted to show you all, this is what it would normally look like with the cash breakdown card. Make sure it's in the camera. So yeah, it would look just like that when you write it out. I will make another video once I go to the bank and get my coins out or money out, whatever you want to call it. I will make another video and actually show you how to stuff the cash envelopes. I know the last time I made the video, I didn't have my marker, guys. I knew where it was at, but I was being lazy. Just didn't feel like getting up to go get it. But I have it now. So I do hope you all enjoy this video. I will link the previous video that I just made above, so don't forget to watch it. And I'm probably going to record my March budget. I just want to show you all what the monthly budget looked like. And again, of course, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and that red subscribe button. That way you won't miss a video.